The weeds in my garden have become out of control, so now I'm trying to fix that. And I will also show you what's growing in my Italian garden in June. Somewhere inside of this there are my 4 plants of watermelon. Let's go. The main issue is that, as you can see, it's flowering and I absolutely do not want it to go to seed. So that's why I'm taking it out. I really don't like this one. I'm definitely going to use it as mulch. Just to be sure, I'm taking out possibly all the roots. Oh, and look! Baby watermelon. Right now, we've done this much. I didn't know how big these plants could get, to be honest. Look what I found. That's big. I don't want to leave the soil bare, so I'm actually pulling and putting it back with the roots up so that the sun is going to cook them. They're not going to root again, hopefully. Now I'm going to place the mulch underneath. Sure, it does not look like the best cleanup, but because I've mulched, so you don't see the bare soil. But I'm happy. Needed to be done. I also need to... Okay, let's give some of this to the chickens. Look at them, they found the freshest spot in the coop. It's very hot, but here it's a nice area now. There is a good shadow, not too much radiation. This one, unfortunately, I've noticed it. She eats last, she drinks last, she's often alone. She doesn't show any sickness signs, so I just believe she's the weakest of these. And maybe you can appreciate, but Pulpetta looks much more stable now on his legs. I'm very happy about it. And nobody's eating my fresh peas. Well, I guess that's how it goes sometimes. I was cutting the grass and once again I killed one of my plants. This one used to be my jalapeno pepper plant. The leaves are here. It was so beautiful, and it makes me too happy to use it. I just go around and then I remember too late that, oh, I had a plant here. But yeah, let's try to clear out this space, which is a total mess, and hopefully I will not kill the good plants. Look what I've just found while cutting the grass. This. Oh gosh. This was so well hidden that I believe this is the place where they enter and go all of the time. I think I should stop using this machine. I just cut my gooseberry. The little one, the new one. I even had put a stick here so I wouldn't cut it. It does this looks like a different garden. There is still some here, but I have to take it out by hand because it's too close to the plants I actually want to save. As well as this one, there are my chili peppers and peppers inside. As well as, wait, let me show you. As well as this, it's an aquilegia. I'm very happy, but these are poisonous, so I have to take this out and not give to chickens. Last time I chopped the grass, I actually completely obliterated a little pumpkin. So this is the growth after a few days. I don't know, I guess we'll see. Well, now I almost obliterated it for the second time, but if it keeps growing like this, it might actually make a pumpkin or two. So yeah, let's hope I don't obliterate it again. My potatoes have started to dry. My watermelons are growing. There is a third one here. And a fourth one here. Actually, wait. There is a fifth one. I love watermelon surprises. This one is actually, it's maybe the biggest one so far. Oh, and look, there is a little tiny aubergine. I have some chillies already. I want them red though, so I'm going to wait. But wow, I'm very happy. Unfortunately, this flower bed is suffering a lot. Doesn't matter how much I water it, it's always very dry. Oh, and I also have this is the first cucumber of the year. Very good. Here there is another one, but I will be taking it tomorrow. So yesterday I tried something new. I completely filled the holes with water here and here. However, the most interesting thing is that I also filled with water this one, which I had thought that was probably a nesting place. And today look what I found. This is another hole which was not here yesterday, so I'm going to flood this as well. This is it for this video. I still have to keep cleaning, but I'm quite satisfied with how much I've done these days. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.